Presenting our successfully installed water treatment plant at Harivishram Apartments, Kanakapura, Bangalore. This advanced system is designed to deliver clean, safe, and high-quality water for everyday use. At the heart of the setup, we have the sand filter, effectively removing suspended particles, dirt, and impurities from the water. Next, the activated carbon filter plays a crucial role in eliminating chlorine, bad odor, and unwanted taste, ensuring fresh and pure water. Together, these filtration stages work seamlessly to improve water quality, protect plumbing systems, and enhance overall living standards. Our solution is efficient, reliable, and built for long-term performance with minimal maintenance. Upgrade your water quality today with our trusted water treatment solutions. So, what are you waiting for?